Maca is a plant that grows in the Andes of Peru. Grown at high altitudes under harsh conditions, the root is harvested for its generous health benefits. Maca root has been shown to support bone density, improve mood and energy levels, and help to balance hormones. Adding maca root to your routine is simple and safe to take daily. Get your maca root on. 1. Source your maca root. Maca root comes in a few different forms. In powder form, maca root can easily be added to smoothies, coffee, or juices. Maca root extract is also available, but usually combined with other supplements. Alternatively, you can take maca root in pill form. 2. Gather your ingredients. Create a chocolatey maca root smoothie with 3/4 cup of either almond milk or cashew milk, 1 scoop of vegan vanilla protein powder, 2 teaspoons of organic cacao powder, 1 tablespoon of organic almond or peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of maca root powder, and an organic banana. 3. Blend. Add to blender and pulse until smooth. If you'd like the smoothie a bit sweeter, try adding some honey, agave nectar, or an organic date. If you'd prefer a quicker way to incorporate maca root into your diet, try our Androtrex for men or female fusion for women. To learn more ways maca root can benefit you, visit our natural health articles.